Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is the food recipes on a site that sells recipe books. In this case we want to present a cooked food with a clean and attractive image. The duration of the presentation will be accompanied by the steps needed for its preparation. We will put bright colors in our presentation to try to make the image more attractive. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we'll be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. First, we will change the color of the background. Right click in the design area, click Format Background. We choose the color Solid Fill Color. We go to eyedropper, click the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Then we will insert 4 circles. We go to Insert, Shapes, we choose Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height, 19.19 centimeters. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 7.55 inches, and width 18.5 centimeters. And if you have inches in your settings, it's about 7.28 inches, and we put it in the desired position. Now we want to add color. Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape Outline, no outline. We go to Shape Effects, Shadow, second column, second in a row. Then we right click, copy, right click, paste, and we change the color of the second circle. Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area. Again we copy the second circle, right click, copy, right click, paste. We go to Shape Format, Shape Fill, Eyedropper, we choose the fourth color from the left side outside of the design area. And again we copy one more time, right click, copy, right click, paste. We go to right click, Format, Shape, and we choose from Fill, Gradient Fill, 4 gradient stops. We go to the first gradient stop, we choose color, eyedropper, the first color from the left side outside of the design area. The second gradient stop, color, eyedropper, we choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area. The third gradient stop, eyedropper, we choose the third color outside of the design area, and the last gradient stop, eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Now we will insert our image. We go to Insert, Pictures, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. We see that our image has a background and we only want the plate, so we will remove the background of the image. We go to Picture Format, click Remove Background, and click Mark Areas to Keep. We want to appear the plate and the vegetables. we see and keep changes and reduce the size of the plate. Height, we choose 14 and we see that the width go along at 50.42 cm, 40 cm, or if you have inches in your settings, it's about 5.51 inches. 5.51 inches, and we put it in the desired position. Now we will insert our title. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area, drag and release it. We choose font Abadi, size 36, bold, and we write our title. Shift apostrophe, delectable, delights, unleashing, the best, food recipes, excuse me, for culinary enthusiasts, close apostrophe. We go to color and we choose third column, fourth in a row. Then right click, format shape. We go text option, shadow, call presets the second outer, and 3D format, bottom bevel, the second bevel, second column, first in a row, and we put this title in the desired position. We want to insert the presenter's names. We go to insert, click text box, click in the design area. We choose a body font again, 18 size bold, and we write, we choose the color third column, fourth in a row, and we write the presenter's name. By Martha G. Santos. And then we go to text options, we go to right click, format shape, shadow the second outer, bottom bevel the second. Now it's time for animations. Close format shape. We go to the first circle. We choose entrance, animation entrance fade. Start with previews. Duration 0.50. We go to the second circle. Animation fade. Start after previews, duration 0.50 as it is. We go to the third circle, animations fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the fourth circle, animations fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the title, entrance float in, effect options, float up as one object, duration 1 as it is, start after previews. We go to the presenter's name, entrance float in, effect options float down, duration 1, start after previous, and we go again to the image, we choose add animation, emphasis pulse, duration 0.50, start after previous, and we go to image again, add animation, emphasis spin, duration 2, and start after previous, effect options, clockwise, full spin. Beautiful, nice. And now we go to the slideshow button to see the final result. Nice, that's it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!